What's up, guys? It's Ron guy, and I'm back here again with another video. I'm so excited, man. So this morning I wake up and I get on my phone and I'm like, let me check how many subscribers I got today. And guess what you guys did? You guys got me to 1,000 freaking subscribers. I cannot believe this. I'm really excited. I had a giveaway that was going on. The giveaway has finally ended. Anybody that enters in will probably enter in for the 2,000 subscriber giveaway too, which is going to start at the 500 mark. So once I hit 1,500, the next 500 subscribers that's going to subscribe to the channel to give me 2,000, there's a chance of you winning a second giveaway. So I'm really, I cannot even express how happy I am right now to you guys. I'm just excited. So freaking excited. I made it happen. 2 freaking years of hustling and struggling and just making videos, all kinds of videos, trying out all kinds of videos, from making how-to videos, racing videos, going to car shows, visiting people, to all these kind of things going on within 2 years. I made it happen. And you guys showed me that you enjoy the content and you guys like the content. So basically what I'm going to do is that I'm going to draw the giveaway tonight. Okay, and it's gonna be in this video. Actually, the giveaway is gonna be in this video. I'm gonna draw it, and then I'm gonna announce the winner, and I'm gonna give the winner 72 hours to claim the item. If the winner is not able to claim the item within 72 hours, I'm gonna do another draw, and till somebody wins the item. I mean, I don't want to hold the item too long. I want to have the item ready and gone. So the item that the winner, whoever wins, is winning the Racing Slammer shift knob. So it can be for any car, a GTI, a Focus RS, a Type R, a Subi, whatever car you have. Just contact me and I'm going to send you the giveaway and you guys can have it. So my Instagram name is going to be somewhere here, right there, wherever it's going to be at. Just follow me on there and just send me a message like, hey, I won the giveaway, and then show me your YouTube name and everything. And then you're going to send me your information, like your address, your name, your phone number. I'm going to talk to you a couple minutes just to get to know you and what got you to my channel, what made you come to my channel, and what made you think to subscribe to the channel. So that's what I'm going to do, interact with you a little bit, and then I'm going to ship the item straight from Racing to you. I'll see if Racing can make a custom design for me, and then you guys can have it. It's just something sentimental to me. 1,000 subscribers is not easy at all. I just sat down for 10 minutes and I thought about it. I'm like, I have 1,000 freaking people follow me. 1,000. I don't even know more than 30 people. 1,000 people, let alone follow me. It's surreal. I'm really happy. I'm glad you guys came and show love and subscribe to the channel. There's more stuff coming for the channel. So if you want to see the new car and all the new mods that's going on the ST, as we still own the ST, make sure you subscribe and share the videos with your friends and your family. There's so much things I've done to the ST, and there's more to come. Even crazy more parts and crazy more items to come to the ST and on this channel. So like I said, make sure you like, subscribe, and share, and sign up for the next giveaway, which is 2,000 subscribers. Every time I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna do a giveaway, something just to get a channel going, and just to get people, feeling like, okay, they're not just wasting their time watching my videos, they're actually getting something sentimental from me to them, and it's something that they can actually enjoy using and stuff like that. Anything. It could be from race shift knobs. It's gonna be car parts only though. Shift knobs, I could probably ship, if I grow really hard, I could probably ship you a turbo for your car. If you have a turbo car, I'll buy you a whole kit and ship it to you. Maybe something like carbon fiber steering wheel, maybe 1C, blow valve, anything, any car part that if as long as I keep growing, it's gonna come out of my own pocket. The shift knob is coming out of my own pocket. It's almost like your $200 shift knob, and I'm shipping it. It don't matter. I mean, I'm happy that you guys are joining me in this journey and stuff like that. But today's video, I'm gonna keep it short, and I'm gonna install a new Maxton Design side skirts on the car. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Like and subscribe and share the video with your friends and your family. Just help the channel grow. With 2,000 subscribers, we're doing another big giveaway. All right, so we're gonna continue yesterday's vlog. The winner will be announced at the end of the video today, and like I said earlier, we're gonna be doing a side skirt install, but I'm gonna show you guys something on my car. So when I turn my car on, okay, the car is on. Boom. They saying the door is open, but check this out. See that? Same. Oh. it's saying the front door is open, obviously, because my leg is sticking out, but the rear door is closed, as you can see. And I fucked up my door yesterday messing with it. Look all these nasty dents and stuff like that, you know, and all my paint started chipping off, all kinds of stuff I did in my car yesterday, and I bad. You guys can see it for yourself. But I my side skirt a little bit too. I'm just gonna use a touch-up paint to fix this, you know, and just move on from there, and then eventually get the whole door repainted or whatever. But today we're gonna be finishing the side skirt install, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. So this is what's holding the side skirts, these little black panels. There's 4 of them, I think. There's one here, there's one up here, 2, 3, 4, and there might be one in the back somewhere here. That's what's holding the side skirt. We're gonna take it off and we're gonna wash it clean and make it look clean, and put the Maxton Design one on. Guys, so we're finally about to do the giveaway winner. We have it in the wheel spinning thingy, so I'm gonna count 3 from 5 to 1, and then we're gonna spin the wheel, and whoever wins it. So I'm gonna select it. So the winner goes to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Spin. Let's see who won it. Oh, your boy dog. Okay, you are the winner for the giveaway. You are very welcome. Contact me on my Instagram at _TOYSSE, and you're gonna win yourself a nice, beautiful racing shift knob. If you're not able to claim the shift knob within the next 72 hours, in my email, I'm gonna do another spin, and then whoever wins it wins it, because I want this item to go away as fast as possible. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. Thank you guys for making the channel grow. We hit 1,000 subscribers. I'm really excited. Let me pop a bottle on this thing. I'm gonna drink to show you guys 1,000 subscribers achievement. 2 freaking years, and I achieved 1,000 subscribers. I'm really happy, and I'm glad you guys did this with me. I'm sharing this with you guys. Cheers. Cut it. So that's done. Maybe I should drill one more hole up here. I will. But that's done. We're gonna try and put the bolts in there and see what it looks like, you know. Alright, so this is it, and I'm gonna be test fitting it on it just so you guys can see it. Alright guys, so this is test fit. It's not actually on, it's only held by just 2 bolts right now, but this is me test fitting it to see, make sure if it matches it, if it looks right on it. It fits it perfectly. I don't know if it's, I feel like this part right here kind of sits at an angle, kind of like this a little bit. Instead of sitting like this, it's sitting like this a little bit. So I don't know if I had to change the position of the bolts or what. That's what I'm thinking it might be, but it looks perfect. Other than that, I mean, it looks really clean. It gives that car the clean look on the side and everything, and you can't really tell it's aftermarket part because it kind of follows the body line, especially when it comes to this part right here. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this install. So basically, first thing you have to do is you have to open your door. There's a tab right there you have to pop out. There's one here, and there's one on the end right here. You just gotta pop it out. Look, I'll show you. I'll pop it out for you guys to see it. So all you do is just kind of wiggle it. See that tab? That's what you wiggle it, and it will just pop out. Both of them will pop out easily. And the other bolts I was showing you guys earlier, those are the little bolts right here. So I'm gonna close the door, and I'm gonna drill the rest of the hole, and I'm gonna test fit it again and see what it looks like. Boys, install is officially done. It looks clean. We are wrapped around in Maxton Design from the rear. Maxton Design rear valance, which gives the car a little bit of the oomph. I'll turn the camera for you guys to see it, but you know what I mean, it gives the camera a little bit of the oomph over there. And we are going to look at the sides, and you can see the Maxton Design size looks sick as well on the sides. And you can see it says Maxton Design right there, if you'll focus. Boom. So we got Maxton Design side skirts, Maxton Design front lip. I think about getting the Maxton Design what do you call it right here for the windshield wipers too. We're gonna do that eventually. And I can't tell you guys how happy I am. The Aero on the car looks really sick, and then my personally made wing extension, which goes for sale for $190. DM me on Instagram. I'll put my Instagram name right there for you guys to go check it out. And I am officially happy with the car and how the car looks and with everything about the car. My door is broken, that's why my light is on, obviously, because this door is fucked up. Like I said earlier, I fucked it up bad this week. So but other than that, the car looks sick. I'm gonna take some photos of the car, and then I'm gonna get my thumbnail and everything. I'll catch you guys in the next episode. The winner, congratulations once again.